Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of this device on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve device problem on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Clash of Clans. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.